So today is the third day of surgery, and today we covered 1100 graft. So in 3 days we tried to cover 5000 graft. Out of that, around 4200 was taken from the back of the head, and 800 grafts we have taken from the beard area. Turn your face to this side. So come on the front, Prakash. From the front to the back area. So why this case is very unique? This case has done the surgery already, I think 2-3 years back. He was not happy with the density, so it was this and this area which was covered. I would say somewhere around 500-700 graft they might have implanted, but he was not happy obviously. So we tried to cover everything from the front hairline, mid scalp area, and the crown area. So we have given the high density uniformly. So whenever he grows the hair, it would look absolutely normal with the final result. He was very much conscious about his temporal triangle area as well. So on the both sides, somewhere around 150 grafts we have implanted. As you can see, if the close-up view you can take it, the inferior and the downward direction of the temporal graft is very important, because when the hair will grow, it will grow in a downward direction. It should not be growing in a sideward direction. So after 7 days we will be able to show you this final result. And this is again one of our revision surgery. So this is why these cases are very special to us, because they have a lot of expectation when they come for the secondary surgery. Hi, I'm Dr. Malay Mehta, and he is the case in whom we have done the surgery. Last week we have done his FUE surgery with Sapphire FUE. As I'll be showing you, the front area is filled, mid scalp is pretty filled, even the crown area is very nicely and with high density is filled. Not only that, we have also implanted on the temporal triangle area on both sides, left and right side. You can see the angle and the direction of the graft. They are going downward direction, they are going down. So hair on the temple area will grow in a downward direction, so it won't grow in a sideward direction. So it merges with a normal existing hair, and it is going to give a nice natural look. Also you can see the single follicular hair on the front and this frontal hairline. You try to give in the slightly zigzag or irregularity, which is going to make the look very natural. Not only that, you can see 7th day healing on the donor area is also very good. Okay, so he is someone who has done the surgery 2-3 years back, and this is this revision surgery. So that was a challenge for us. We have to take the hair from the back of the head, which was already exhausted to a certain extent, and we took the hair from the beard area as well. Will you be able to show me the beard area? So this is the recovery after 7 days of beard as a donor area. Okay, how many graft from beard we have implanted? I forgot.
Around 1,500, I guess.
Around, I think, 1,500 from the beard. So I'll let him explain what was his past experience, what surgery you have done it, and you can just share it, and what is your experience here.
So hi.
So you can start your review.
So hi, I had done my hair transplant surgery 4 years ago with one of the doctors, and I was 26 back then. I'm 30 now, and I had emphasized to the doctor that I need density. So I got the hair transplant done. He had said that it was around I don't remember exactly, but around 2,500 odd grafts. But what I could see is after 6 to 8 months, the results were going bad, and probably it was not a very good experience. I was very skeptical about going for a hair transplant again. So I had it in mind because I had vacation. So I contacted Dr. Malai, and he explained me the entire procedure. And I was really happy with the way he gave the time during the procedure, because most of the times the doctors themselves, they don't do the surgery, and they hire technicians who they basically outsource it and get it done from others. So Dr. Malay Mehta gave 3 full days to me, and he made sure that even between the operation, wherever I felt that I need to have some amendments or some more density in certain areas, so he was very cooperative and patient to listen me out. So far it's been a very good experience. I'm looking forward for a few more months, because it's just a week now, and hopefully I will get the desired results this time. Thanks, doctor.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.